Students, today we will solve few more examples on differentiation. As we know that sum of two functions, that is differentiation of f of x plus g of x. As we know that f and g are two functions. Sum of two functions formula. Derivative of this function is d by dx of f of x plus d by dx of g of x. Similarly, also difference between two functions is derived by d by dx of f of x minus d by dx of g of x when f of x and g of x are two functions. So this can also be written as or d by dx of u plus v, where u and v are a functions of x, a function of x. Suppose consider u is a function of f of x and v is also a function of that is a g of x. This can also be written as du by dx plus dv by dx. If suppose it is difference of two functions, then du by dx minus dv by dx. What about product of two functions? Suppose consider d by dx of u into v. Here u is a function of x as well as v is also a function of x. So product of two function, differentiation of these two is u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. First we have to keep first function as a constant. Next second function is a derivative. Plus second function is constant. First function is a differentiator. That is u is the first function, v is a second function here. So keep first one as constant, u is as it is, and differentiator second function plus second function constant, differentiator first functions. Okay. For example, differentiate x square into sin x with respect to x. The solution of this example is, let us consider y equal to x square into sin x, and we know that if y equal to u into v, we know that if y equal to u into v, then differentiation of this function, that is d by dx or dy by dx is equal to d by dx of u into v. Here u is a first function, v is a second function. That is u first function is constant, then differentiation of second function dv by dx plus second function constant, that is v constant. Next differentiation of first function, that is du by dx. So here comparing these two, in place of u we have x square, in place of v we have sin x. So here our u is x square and v is sin x. So this implies dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x square into sin x. Here we have to keep a first function as a constant because u, that is x square constant, into d by dx of sin x plus second function is constant, sin x is constant, differentiation of a first function, that is d by dx of x square. Now we have to simplify RHS side, that is dy by dx is equal to x square constant, keep it as it is, x square. We know the differentiation of sin x. Sin x differentiation is cos x, that is x square into cos x plus sin x as it is, differentiation of x square by using x to the power n formula, n into x to the power n minus 1, that is 2x, x square. Differentiation is 2x. So this is our required solution. Okay, let us next example. Differentiate x into cos x with respect to x. So consider solution of this example is consider y equal to x into cos x. Again by using we know that if y equal to u into v, the differentiation of this function is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of u into v. This implies dy by dx is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx by using this formula. Okay, here our u is x and v is cos x. So differentiation of this function is so dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x into cos x. X into cos x. So keep first function as a constant. X is our first function. So that is x is constant, x constant. Next second function differentiation, that is d by dx of cos x plus keep second function as a constant cos x into d by dx of x. So x as it is, differentiation of cos x is here c is negative. So minus sin x, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x constant, differentiation of x is 1. So 1. This implies minus x into sin x plus cos x into 1 is cos x, or this can also be written as cos x minus x into sin x. This is our required solution. Note it down.